The last 10 nights of Ramadan, finding Laylatul Qadr. There are moments in life that define us. Moments that shape our destiny, that change everything. And in the last 10 nights of Ramadan, there is one night, just one, that is greater than 1,000 months. A single night that could transform your life forever. Imagine worshiping for over 83 years. Imagine having every sin wiped away. Imagine standing in prayer while the angels descend, carrying your du'as to Allah. This is the power of the last 10 nights of Ramadan, and this is the secret of Laylatul Qadr. Section 1. The last 10 nights. The final opportunity. Ramadan is a month of mercy, but the last 10 nights, they are the peak. They are the most sacred, the most valuable. And for those who truly seek Allah's forgiveness, these nights are a chance to rewrite their fate. These are the odd nights of the last 10 days. And among them is Laylatul Qadr. Section 2. The meaning of Laylatul Qadr. Allah Himself revealed the power of this night in the Quran. Indeed, we sent the Quran down during the night of decree. And what can make you know what the night of decree is? The night of decree is better than 1,000 months. The angels and the Spirit descend therein by permission of their Lord for every matter. Peace it is until the emergence of dawn. Surah Al-Qadr 97:1-5. A single night, where the angels fill the earth, where Allah's decree for the next year is written. A night so powerful that worship on it is equal to a lifetime of devotion. Section 3. Why the last 10 nights matter. The Prophet Muhammad would not just seek Laylatul Qadr, he would prepare for it like no other time in the year. Aisha, R.A., said, when the last 10 nights of Ramadan would arrive, the Prophet would tighten his belt, meaning he would strive harder in worship, stay up the entire night, and wake his family. Bukhari, Muslim. This is the example we follow, because in these nights, destinies are written. In these nights, Jannah is near. Section 4. Breakdown of the odd nights. 1. The 21st night, the beginning of the hunt. The 21st night marks the start of the final sprint. This is the moment to push harder, to beg Allah for mercy. Many scholars believe that Laylatul Qadr can be on this night. Will you let it pass unnoticed? 2. The 23rd night, the hidden gem. The 23rd night, a night full of secrets. Some of the Prophet's companions experienced signs of Laylatul Qadr on this night. It is a night of blessings, a night where destinies are shaped. 3. The 25th night, the test of patience. Narrator. By the 25th night, exhaustion sets in for many. But this is where true believers stand apart. Will you push through, or will you slow down? Remember, one night of worship could be equal to a lifetime. 4. The 27th night, the most beloved night. For centuries, Muslims have believed that the 27th night is most likely Laylatul Qadr. Ubay ibn Kabi R.A. swore that it was on this night. Imagine being in prayer and knowing that in that moment, Allah has accepted your du'as. Will you let this night slip away? 5. The 29th night, the last chance. The final odd night, the last opportunity. If Laylatul Qadr hasn't passed yet, this could be your moment. Will you stand in prayer, or will you sleep through it? Section 5. How to make the most of these nights. How can we ensure we don't miss out? Here are 5 powerful ways to maximize these nights. Pray tahajjud. Wake up and stand before Allah. Let your tears flow. Recite Quran. Connect with the very words that descended on Laylatul Qadr. Make sincere dua. Ask for Jannah. Ask for forgiveness. Ask for everything. Give charity. Even a single dollar donated could be multiplied by 83 years. Seek forgiveness. The Prophet taught us the best dua for Laylatul Qadr. Allahumma innaka, afuwan tuhibul, afwa fafu anni. Oh Allah, you are forgiving and you love forgiveness, so forgive me. Conclusion, will you miss it? Every Ramadan, some people seize these nights, and others let them slip away. When the next year arrives, no one knows if they will live to see another Ramadan. Will you be among those who strive, or those who sleep? The choice is yours. May Allah accept our prayers and grant us Laylatul Qadr. Ameen.